Struggling with managerial accounting? Tired of memorizing formulas that don't make sense? In this video, you'll finally understand everything, step by step. In this video, we'll break down managerial accounting from zero. No complex math, no confusion, just clear concepts used in real business. Managerial accounting helps managers make decisions about the future. A cost object is anything you want to measure cost for. Direct costs are traceable, indirect costs are shared. Total cost increases, but cost per unit stays constant. Total stays the same, but per unit cost changes. A mix of fixed and variable costs. This is the core logic of profit. Break-even is where revenue equals total cost. Small changes in sales can create big changes in profit. Job costing tracks each job. Process costing averages everything. Products don't consume costs, activities do.
Budgeting is planning the future, not just controlling spending.
Variance is not a problem. It's feedback.
Only consider costs that change. Past costs never matter for future decisions. $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow.
You didn't just learn accounting. You learned how businesses think.
Like the video, subscribe our channel FinCorp60 and tell me what topic you want next.